जय हिंद। इन दिस वीडियो वी लर्न पंक्चुएशंस। पंक्चुएशंस का मतलब होता है विराम चिन्ह। Now what are the punctuation? Punctuation is the art, practice or system of putting stops and marks in writing is called punctuation. It makes the meaning of the writing very clear. Different marks and signs are full stop, comma, colon, semicolon, hyphen, question mark, inverted comma, single and double inverted comma, exclamatory sign and bracket. Use of wrong punctuation marks may even change the sense of the sentence completely. So we should be very careful, we should be very alert while using these punctuation marks. Now see the different marks. First of all we'll see full stop. Full stop को पूर्ण विराम भी कहा जाता है. At the end of declarative sentence we use this full stop. I am writing a letter. The sentence is complete as per the sense of the sentence is, and so at the end we are using full stop, comma, alpa viram. To separate items in the series we use comma. She is clever, bold, beautiful. All these qualities are separated with the help of comma. And healthy, she is clever, bold, beautiful and healthy. Colon का मतलब होता है अपूर्ण विराम. To introduce a list after a clause we use colon. Others plays 4 sports: TT, cricket, basketball and soccer. So others plays 4 sports. This is a clause and then the list is given. So after that we are using colon mark. Hyphen का मतलब होता है योजक. ये दो शब्दों को जोड़ने के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. To join words, part time, back to back, these words are joined by hyphen. Question mark, प्रश्न चिन्ह. For interrogative sentences we use question mark. What is your name? That is a question. After that we are using question mark. Quotation, double inverted comma, उद्धरण चिन्ह. Speakers direct quotations are given in this inverted comma. I am very tired, Sakshi said. So what Sakshi is saying, that is given in the inverted comma as it is. Apostrophe, संबोधन चिन्ह to indicate possession. This is Ram's book. The book belongs to Ram, so Ram's, apostrophe s. Exclamation, विस्मय सूचक चिन्ह to show strong emotion. How beautiful the bird is. So here at the end exclamatory sign is given. Semicolon, अर्धविराम to join two independent clauses that are not connected with a coordinating conjunction. मतलब जहाँ पे कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन का इस्तेमाल नहीं होता है उसी की तरह उसका मतलब निकले तो हम अर्धविराम दे सकते हैं. जॉन वॉज हर्ट, ही न्यू हु सेड इट. Two clauses, John was hurt and he knew who said it. These two clauses are separated with the help of semicolon. Parenthesis, कोष्टक, to provide additional information we use parenthesis. John and Jane, who were beggars, had red hair. Actual sentence is John and Jane had red hair, but about John and Jane additional information is given, and that is we have given it in the bracket. स्लैश, बटा या अलावा. टू राइट फ्रैक्शनल alternatives we use this slash. Free tickets will be given to children or women. The slash is working as or. dash, dash का मतलब होता है निर्देशक. To separate words, she gave him her answer no. So what the answer she has given, that is separated with the help of dash. Now we'll see to use capital letter. To begin a sentence always we use capital letter. For I, God, and for proper noun and in most abbreviations we use capital letter. My friend, praise God. My friend, praise God. G is capital and the sentence begin with capital letter. MP, USA, WHO, these are abbreviations, so they are, we have shown them with the capital letters. Now see this example. Use proper punctuation marks. Isn't there a court order? So this is a question. So at the end, question mark is given, first letter capital and N, that is abbreviated note. Bring all the usual things, paper, eraser, pencil, ruler, and so on. So these things are separated by comma. She asked, where is the goose that lays the golden eggs? So here she is asking, and the sentence she said is given in the quotation or in the inverted comma. Where is the goose that lays golden eggs? This is question. So at the end, question mark is given. So keep practicing and enjoy rest of the videos. Till then, goodbye.